I have been jumping back and forth between Cursor AI and regular VS Code, just trying to see which one actually feels better when you're in deep real coding. Here's what I found. So Cursor is basically VS Code, but with an AI baked directly into everything. You've got inline edits using AI, natural language refactoring, auto commenting, and you can just highlight code and say what you want it to do. It's fast and surprisingly accurate for things like bug fixes, cleaning up messy logic, or explaining confusing code. VS Code, on the other hand, is on its own and doesn't do any of that. So it doesn't have any AI. Unless you start layering on extensions like Copilot or Code Whisperer. But even then, Cursor's AI is just more integrated. You don't need to jump around or prompt perfectly. It handles way more context, and the chat actually understands your whole repo. That said, Cursor can feel a little too AI dependent at times, like it nudges you to use it for everything, versus VS Code, which gives you more control, and it's better if you like customizing every part of your dev environment. So now, which ones did you use? If you write code all day and want speed with minimal friction, then Cursor is kind of hard to beat right now. But if you love tweaking your setup and using AI more sparingly, regular VS Code with Copilot still holds up really well. So that's it for this video comparison on VS Code versus Cursor. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.